Okay, guys, so thanks for tuning in to the Text and Games team. So today we are going to be doing a simple tutorial on how to use Canva. Canva is a nice editing software, video editing, photo editing, flyer making. You can do ton of stuff with this, and and to be honest, I've done a lot of designs with this thing, and it's really good. As compared to Photoshop, it's a very good. Photoshop is #1 to me, but Canva it's for beginners, and I think it has nice, cool, usable template that is going to make things really simple for you. But in order to make today's tutorial practical, we are going to be designing this flyer. This is a flyer designed for my church, and I'm going to design the same thing today in today's video. So first of all, we are going to split screen. Since we are using Windows 11, that's very simple now, so that we can be watching this at the same time doing it here, if you get my point. Yes, so we'll just quickly drag this. You can get this on mobile version. I think you can get this on Mac as well, iPhones, iPads, and I think yes, Android as well. All right, so the easiest thing people do, or as a beginner, if you have no ideas, you can just quickly search up anything on the Canva page. Maybe they'll give you some cool template you can use. Most of them are pro if you have not bought the full version of Canva. Yes, but at least you can get some ideas from here to make one. Something like this is free. You can just head up to it and maybe change some few stuff and you're done. Yes, but today we are going to be doing this thing from the scratch, and we are going to be doing it as fast as we could so that we can beat time. Yeah, as fast as we could. All right. So without wasting much time, I have the empty page right here. The file is empty, just a white background. So first of all, you get your backgrounds. Yes, I already have the background saved into Canva. So how do you do it? You head up to uploads, then you get the I've already uploaded it here. So you download it from the internet or somewhere. I'll put all these in the description. Also, the link to download Canva will be in the description so that you can go ahead and check it out, download it, and try it out for yourself. So this is the background. All right. Now the next thing we're doing is we'll be getting the logos we have right here. I've converted all of them into JPEG. No wait, JPG. I'm actually confused at the moment. All right. So let's just go straight to the point. So okay, no, not let's head up to. All right, so if I didn't say, I actually attend Church of Pentecost, so I do a lot of flyers for the church. So that's why I'm using the flyer for today, because I just designed this some few days ago. Depending on the time you're watching this video, maybe it will be a past program. Yes, a thing of the past. So just quickly add the logos. Yes, you can get a whole lot of software that can convert PNG to JPG format. Canva can also do that, but unless you upgrade to the Pro version to get that feature. Yes, they are all here. But before we continue, I have to introduce you to the Canva editing tools. So let's say we hit this image. Okay, let me add the text so that I've used everything. So these are the text. We have the examples or trials you can get there. So okay, so I'll put this here. These are all the Canva editing tools for text. We have a whole lot of font over here installed. We have the size. We have the color, which you can also get the color view or color selection tool. We have the bold italic, the alignment, we have the bulletin or the listing, we have the spacing as well, like this, however you want to do it. We have the effects. Yes, you can use this for video editing as well. It's really good for video editing, simple video editing. This thing is really good. So I normally use it to edit some of my YouTube videos as well. You can also animate some of the text. Yeah, this is not a video, this is a flyer. I'm just showing you how this thing works. Then we have the transparency tool right there. All right, so we'll get back to that in some time. So this is the first thing. Wait, we have to split screen. Sorry guys, let me quickly do this. All right, okay, we have the fire back. All right, so the Church of Pentecost. Okay, so guys, we have to redo this again. There was a problem with the recording. Okay, so let's continue with where we stopped. So the Church of Pentecost, yes, right there. Then I would make this. Sorry guys, I'm really in a hurry, so I'm doing things in such a rush, which is not good, but so that I beat time. That's all. Yes, so we have it right there. Then we'll add a second heading. We'll also make this one smaller. So in English assembly. All right, so just make this one as well smaller. And okay, I think like this is better, but I think I'll prefer stretching it. Then make this one a bit bigger. Then yes, this one like this right there. Okay, so there is a hidden logo in the center, if you can see really clearly. Yes, so how did I do that? You just get this logo, make it bigger. That is the Church of Pentecost logo, by the way. Yes, then I'll put this in send this back, and okay, yeah, that's it. So we go right here, then we get the transparency tool, then we just, yeah, really simple. Yes, but I think it should go a bit deeper, lighter, so that it doesn't show too much. All right, so we have the logo right there. So now the next thing, the present. We're going to be doing something really interesting right here. So present, okay, then we just move into the color tool, then we get the color, which is a yellow. Then now we get the spacing tool, yes, which is right here. Then we just space in the letters, yes. Mostly that's how present has to be, yes. Normally spacing it, or maybe dabbed, even that one is coming up. So let's move into the elements. We have the elements here. We have a whole lot of elements. If you move into, let's say you want to add a picture to it, you have different type of frames here with different type of shapes. They are really interesting and cool. Nice ones, to be honest. Yeah, we have nice templates as well over here for you to try out. We have a lot. Canva has a lot pre-installed, which I think is really good for beginners like me and you. All right, so let's get the shape. Wait, my favorite shape. Okay, let me cancel this so that it gives it to me. Yeah, these are my recent those. So okay, so we'll make this smaller. No, this one won't. Okay, it will come right here. So then we change the color to yellow, then we make it really light. That's how we did the other one. So we'll lighten it up. Yes, really simple. Then we get the text tool, then we add this. So 3 days blood series. All right, so we do that, then make it small, then we add it here, then we change the color to white. Simple, nice. So the next thing we're doing is the dot. So we can also duplicate this so that it makes our work simpler. Sorry, we could have done this really easy. Yeah, just make this small instead of, you can also zoom in as well. Yeah, if you don't know about that, if you're using a mouse, it will be really simple. Even a touchpad, you can use your double fingers to zoom in, 2 of your fingers to zoom in. It's really simple. So with this one, we would make it deeper. Yes, make it deeper. Let me lighten it up a little, yeah, so that it becomes a bit lighter. All right, then we add the text, dark, yes. So add it right here, then we change the color to white. All right, nice one there. So I can see something right there. Let me see if I can get the shape. So we'll get this shape, and let me stretching it up a bit. Guys, just look at how I'm doing this thing. You understand what I'm trying to do right here. So I'll turn this like this, then that way I can stretch it this way. All right, nice one. Let me turn it a bit. Okay, I think it's better this way. Yes, so let me quickly add the what we have right under that. So like this, but I have to send this back. So you right click, then you send back so that the dab appears in front of it rather. And this one is a different color. Let's try and get that color. I think it's gray or something. Can't really get the color, but let's try this one for today's video. I think it's a bit difficult finding the color, but there's a nice trick on Canva. There are some tips and tricks I have to make a video on. there are tricks in order to get all the colors. You just put this picture somewhere, maybe you squeeze it somewhere on the page to give you all the colors for that picture when you go to the color view. It's really interesting. Like there are interesting Easter eggs on this app that people don't know, but as you keep using it, you get to know them. Yeah. So you there I'll try and see what I can do for that. So there is power in his blood. I wasn't supposed to do them capital letters, but okay, let's quickly change that. But before that, let me do this. And also finding the font I used is going to be a bit difficult unless I go back to check the flyer. So in order to avoid that, let's just use a regular font. But before that, let me change this to white. Then all these has to be in small letters. All right. So sorry. In fact, let me. Sorry, guys. I have to do this. So Hebrew, then 13, 12, then Revelations 12, verse 11. Then I'll make this smaller, stretch it this way, and put this right here, and change the color. All right, let's maintain this color for today's video. Yes. So now the items we have down there, we have to do something about it. So what do we do now? We get this from here, and we make it small. But we have to zoom in so that it will make things easier for us. So duplicate this as well so that you can get the copy of it. Then we change the color from this to this. Then do same for this one as well. Then we try and make it lighter. All right. So another thing we do here is we get this, then we add from. Duplicate it. And there's another Easter egg with a duplication in Canva. Yes, another nice one. Right? If you want to know all those secret tricks, let me know in the comment section down below. And also like the video so that I will get to know that, yeah, you guys are really interested to know. Yeah. All right, now we need these tools. So you head up to Element, then you search up dates. Yes, they'll give you different types of date elements you want to use. Yes, we have the graphics right here. So sorry, my bad. Okay, so let's choose this one. Although it's not the same, but we'll use this one. Okay, so I'll add it right here. Then the next one is venue. Okay, so the venue, yes, that one is a different one. Okay, the same thing actually. So for the same design for venue. Okay, nice one there. So the next one, the next last thing we have to do right here is add the dates. So Wednesday 31st of August. Okay, I didn't type the full thing. To Friday 2nd Sept. All right, so do it this way. Then yes, then we also actually the colors need to be changed. Let me do it black, as you can see from there. Then so actually the colors are two. They have to give me the second color. They didn't do that. Mostly it's okay. I think this one. No, this one rather. Sorry guys. Okay, so white. This one also has to go white. Yes. Then let's duplicate it so that we don't need to resize this thing. let me get it then. K J M. All right, so now we change the alignment of this. Wait, I think I need to select the whole thing. Okay, then we are done. So let's check out this thing. Now let's compare. Just look at this. Just look at this. There are just some few little details. I mean, few little compare. How do I even say it? Few little changes. Yes, but it's like almost like 90% similar to what we are seeing on the other screen right here. So this is a simple flyer that you can do. This is something I did for my church actually, as I said. Yes, I can do a lot of flyers and I can do them as fast as I could within an hour using Canva. Photoshop, it requires much detailed, how will I even say it? Photoshop requires more skills in doing flyers. It entails a lot. Yes, and with that one they don't have templates. It's just a full editing tool for your editing, your flyer, your posters, your documents, whatever I want to do. Yes, but this one is for beginners and it makes things really, really simple for you to go. It's actually also good. To me, I use this a lot more than I do with Photoshop, as we have right here. Yes, so I really like this app, which is a Canva app we have here. So as I said, all all links will be in the description. So the Canva link for download for PC, the wallpaper or the background I used, and also maybe I'll put the picture as well there so that you can try it out for yourself. Yes, so yeah, I think that is pretty much it. As I said, this is Canva. This is something I did for the church, and it took me some time doing it on Photoshop than doing it on Canva. And also with this one, there is no template, so you have to do everything with your own skill, and it's a whole lot. Yeah, so that's it for now. If anything, let me know in the comment section down below, and let me know your thoughts on this video. If you have any question as well, yeah, you can put it down there. So thanks for watching the video, and thanks for subscribing to the Regular Tech and Games team. If you want more episodes of Canva to come out as well, like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.